Starting a business doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, I'll share creative and profitable business ideas you can start for under $100, including some that are perfect for beginners. Get ready to turn a small investment into a big hustle. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save some money as well. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hit it! Number one, phone software repair. You can start a phone repair business where you can help people fix software issues, unlock phones, and erase personal data for resale, all with the power of Wondershare Dr.Fone. According to Secure Data Recovery, professional data recovery services can typically be up to $300 per hour to fix. You can offer expert repairs, hassle-free unlocking, and a secure data wipe, charging customers for your quick, reliable solutions using one single piece of software. Okay, so this is me right here with a family member's tablet. I told them all about Dr.Fone, so they wanted to see if I could fix it for them. You see all the cracks? I'm showing you all the cracks. I tried to turn it on. I could not get the password. I couldn't go in. It's not responding. The digitizer is broken and the screen is broken. So there was no way I could put in the password. Say I turned it on, could not get it. So you see I have my gloves on. I don't want to be cut or scratched up. And there's several cracks. It's not responding. I'm touching all over the screen and the screen is not responding. So now I'm going to try to recover all their information for them. Okay, with Dr.Fone. So I'm plugging in the USB and I'm going to attach the other end of it to my desktop. And what I'm going to do now is try to recover all their information, their personal photos, the documents, important documents for them. Okay, with the software by Dr.Fone. Okay, so here we go. So now I am going to retrieve all this information, and it's an Android, so I click on an Android. Okay, and I'm going to recover all the Android data. So it recovers everything. I plugged in, you see me plug it in. I plugged it into the tablet, and the other end USB is plugged into the desktop. It is now connecting, and I select all the files I want to recover: the photos, the videos, the audio, the documents, the contacts, everything. So it even is scanning right now. You press recover. If you look to the left-hand corner, you'll see a T10. That's the name of the device. So it picked everything right up and it scans everything. And it moves very, very quickly. So you don't have to wait days and days, for hours and hours for this. I clicked on the T10. It's going to recover all that data. So you press recover and all this information is being recovered now. You see that all information was recovered. I have to export it to somewhere, right? So I'm going to export it to my laptop, to my desktop, and it's recovering into a file. All right, so you see it's moving pretty quickly, so which is great. And this is one thing I love about the software. It really moves quickly. Okay, so now you'll open it up under Wondershare Dr.Fone. Has the date, has everything. It was recovered into separate folders, which I really, really like. So now everything has been recovered. So now my family member can actually have all her information. And now I have it onto, you can have it put onto a flash drive, wherever you want to do it. And now she gets her brand new tablet. She can transfer all that information. So I saved her hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And you can do the same if you want to start a business doing this. So they have, you can, great features. You can import photos. You can export photos. You can back up devices. You can restore devices. If you notice that I did the data recovery, you can also do WhatsApp transfer. So that's awesome. Like, this information is on your phone. You want all that information and screen unlock. So that's very important if you can't unlock the screen. and I exported all her data, and it's a very quick transfer. So that was really quick. Phone transfer. You can even change your ringtone. They even make ringtones for you. So that's pretty awesome. They have a lot of different software, different features on the software that you can use. And all the information is really good. It even tells you your device is in good condition. Like I told you, the internal hardware was good. The problem was the digitizer and the screen. And without me being able to unlock it and touch on it and retrieve all the information, I needed software. And DrFone was able to recover everything. Number 2, resume writing and editing service. You can offer resume writing and editing services that take the client's experiences and turn them into job-winning masterpieces, just like Richard Lambert, who makes a cool $1 million a year for this exact service. You can even use stuff like Wondershare PDF Element and even Canva for templates to help you get started. Number 3, dog walking. Love dogs? Need a flexible side hustle? Starting a dog walking business is a fun and low-cost way to make money while spending time with furry friends, just like Ryan Stewart.
I'm Ryan Stewart. I have a small dog walking company in Long Island City called Ryan for Dogs. And without a college degree, I've managed to make 6 figures a year.
With just a leash and some marketing to your local area, you can build a reliable income in no time. Number 4, mobile notary service. If you're interested in legal services, becoming a mobile notary public can be a cost-effective business to start. The cost to get certified is minimum, and you can offer mobile notary services to people in your local area. Now, you won't make much from notarizing. The real money in this hustle is made in the traveling fees that go as high as $200 a client, as well as after-hours services and even remote locations. Number 5, cleaning service. Starting a cleaning service is one of the simplest ways to turn your time and effort into steady income. With just a small investment in supplies, you can build a business that's always in demand. Just like Amber Starling, who flipped $100 in cleaning supplies into a $400,000 cleaning business. So why not take the first step and clean your way to financial success? Ready to start your dream business for less than $100? Okay now, so don't wait to take action today. Whether it's a dog walking service, a phone unlocking and repair business with DrFone, or another creative idea, the tools are affordable and success is within reach. Check the links in the description to get started now. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with these fantastic budget ideas under $100. And remember, you are amazing.